Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a U.S. airport going through immigration and customs. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the airport staff and officers they meet. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. When you go through U.S. immigration, what 3 things does the officer almost always ask about? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
We made it! We are really in America!
Yes, welcome to the United States, Lily. Your first time here.
Look at that big sign over there. Welcome to the United States.
I like that sign. It is the first thing every traveler sees.
It is nice. It makes me feel okay, like you are safe now.
My legs hurt a little. That flight was so long.
10 hours. I want to walk a lot now.
Same here. Let's walk slow and stretch.
Wow, look at that line over there. So many people are waiting.
Yes, that is the immigration line. It looks long today.
How long do you think? 1 hour?
Maybe, but we have time. Our hotel is open all night.
Good. I'm glad we did our ESTA at home before the trip.
Me too. ESTA is easy. You just fill the form online.
I did mine last week. I just paid online. So easy.
Yes, and it is good for 2 whole years.
2 years? Oh, that is nice.
Right. You can use it for more than 1 trip in those 2 years.
When did ESTA start? It feels new to me.
ESTA started in 2009. Before that, you wrote your info on paper.
Paper? On the plane?
Yes, a small white card. You wrote your name, passport, and hotel by hand.
Oh, that sounds slow and so messy.
It was slow, yo. People ask for a pen on the plane.
Now we just click. So much better.
Yes, ESTA works for many countries. Japan, the UK, France, and more.
About 40 countries, right?
Yes, around 40, so many travelers can use it.
Now let's walk to the line. Are you ready?
Yes, are you ready? You look a little tired.
I am ready. Just one question and we're in, right?
Actually, I read that the officer asks 3 questions.
3? Really? What kind of questions?
Easy ones. Why are you here? How long? And where you stay?
Okay, 3. I can answer 3.
Yes, you'll be fine. Just speak clearly.
Let's go. The line is moving now.
Stay close to me. Don't get lost in this crowd.
I won't. Hold my hand, please.
Excuse me, is this the line for the counter?
Hi there. Yes, that's the long line on your right. But you can use this machine instead.
This machine? What is it called?
It is called APC. The machine checks your passport for you all by itself.
APC? Is it really fast?
Very fast. Most people finish in 2 or 3 minutes.
Wow, the counter line looks like 1 hour, maybe more.
Yes, the line is slow today. A big flight just arrived from Tokyo.
Oh, that was our flight.
Then yes, you should try the machine. It'll save you time.
Okay, how do I start?
First, open your passport to the photo page. Put it face down on the scanner.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Wait for the green light. Now look at the camera.
It just took my photo.
Good. Now the machine asks you some questions. Just tap yes or no.
Wow, just tap yes or no? That is so easy.
Yes, the machine asks about food, money, and a few other things.
What if I tap the wrong button by mistake?
Don't worry, the officer will ask you again. Just tell the truth at the counter.
Okay, good to know. How long has this machine been at this airport?
Since 2013. Before that, everyone went to the counter. Every single person.
So everyone had to wait in the long line for hours?
Yes, on busy days. Now the machine helps many people skip the long line.
This is great. So smart and so simple.
The machine works for many countries: Japan, France, Germany, the UK, and more.
My wife is using the next machine. Can we leave together after this?
Yes, of course. You can wait for her right here. No problem.
Thank you. Oh, a paper just came out.
Yes, that is your receipt. Take it to the officer at the counter.
To the officer? So I'm not done yet?
Not yet. The officer just checks your face and your paper. Very quick.
Okay, thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great trip in the United States.
Thank you. Lily, are you done with yours?
Next, please. Step up to the counter, ma'am.
Hi, good morning, officer.
Good morning. May I have your passport and the paper from the machine?
Here you are, both of them.
Thank you. So what's the purpose of your visit?
Just travel. We're on vacation. First time here.
Okay, vacation. And how long will you stay in the U.S.?
7 days. We fly back home next Sunday.
7 days. And where are you staying during your trip?
A hotel in Santa Monica, the Pacific Hotel, near the beach.
Santa Monica, nice area. The beach is beautiful there.
Thank you. We are very excited to see it.
Now, please look at the camera in front of you.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now put your fingers on the pad in front of you.
All 4 fingers together?
Yes, right hand first, all 4 together, then your left hand.
Okay, done with both.
Good job. The U.S. started fingerprints in 2004 for many visitors from other countries.
2004, so it's been about 20 years now.
That's right. It helps us keep the country safe for everyone.
I understand. It only took a few seconds.
Just a few easy questions and a quick photo. Why, how long, where? Most travelers finish in a minute.
3 short questions. My husband told me the same thing on the plane.
Smart husband. Most travelers worry too much before they get here.
I was a little nervous, to be honest.
That's normal. My job is to help, not scare you. The questions are simple.
Thank you for saying that. I feel much better now.
No need to be nervous. If you know these 3 questions, it is easy and fast.
I will remember that for next time.
Here is your passport back. Welcome to the United States, ma'am.
Thank you so much, officer.
Enjoy your week in Santa Monica. The sunset by the pier is beautiful.
We will see it. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Next, please.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is passport, meaning the small book that shows who you are when you travel. For example, I keep my passport in my bag. The second word is officer, meaning a person who works for the government at the airport. For example, the officer was very kind to us. The third word is purpose, meaning the reason why you do something. For example, the purpose of my visit is travel.
The fourth word is baggage, meaning the bags and suitcases you bring on a trip. For example, we waited for our baggage at the belt. The fifth word is declare, meaning to tell the officer what you have in your bags. For example, I have nothing to declare today.
Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at the airport, where they are picking up their bags.
Ken, look, the bags are coming out now. I see them on the belt.
Good, finally. Which belt is for our flight? Belt 7?
Yes, belt number 7. The screen says from Tokyo.
Look over there. That big black bag near the side is ours.
I see it. I'll grab it now.
Wait, let me. It's heavy. I packed too many books.
Thanks. Now we need to wait for my pink one too.
Okay, while we wait, let me ask you something important.
Sure, what is it?
Lily, do you have any food in your bag for this trip?
Let me think. Just chocolate. That's okay, right?
Yes, chocolate is totally fine. Cookies and snacks are fine too.
Good. I brought some good Japanese chocolate for my friend here.
That is sweet, but you have to be careful. No fresh fruit, no meat, no seeds.
Really? Why fruit? It's just food, right?
Because fruit can carry tiny bugs. The bugs can make plants sick here.
Oh, I see. So it's about keeping the plants in America safe.
Exactly. Meat is the same. It can carry animal sickness into the country.
That makes a lot of sense. I had no idea about all this.
Also, if you have more than $10,000 in cash, you must declare it.
$10,000? In cash? In your bag?
Yes, in cash. They want to know about big money.
Why do they ask about $10,000 exactly?
Because big cash can be a problem. They watch the money to keep things safe.
I see. Smart system. Does the officer ever check inside the bag?
Sometimes they have a special machine, like at the airport security.
Oh, so they can see inside without opening it.
Yes, by X-ray. If they see something strange, they ask you to open the bag.
Got it. Oh, look, there's my pink bag now.
Got it. Let's go to customs next.
I'm a little nervous again, to be honest.
Don't worry, you only have chocolate. We just say nothing to declare. Easy.
Okay, I trust you. Let's go.
Good afternoon. Are you family or just traveling together?
Together. Just the two of us. My wife and me.
Okay. Do you have anything to declare today?
No, nothing to declare.
Any food, fruit, or meat in your bags?
Just some chocolate for a friend who lives here.
Chocolate is fine. No fresh fruit, no meat?
No, none of those. We know fruit is not allowed.
Good. Many travelers don't know. Cash over $10,000?
No, just credit cards and a little spending money.
Any plants, seeds, or live animals?
No, none of those at all.
Great. You're all set. You can also use the new app next time, by the way.
The new app at the airport?
Yes, many travelers use it now to save time.
How does the app work?
You fill in your form on the plane. Then you show a code right here at the gate.
Oh, that sounds really fast. I'll try it on my next trip.
Great idea. It saves you a few minutes at the gate.
Is the paper form still okay to use?
Yes, paper is still fine, but the app is faster and easier.
I understand. Thank you for telling me about it.
My pleasure. Many people don't know about the app yet.
I'll tell my friends back home. It will help them on their next trip.
That's very kind of you.
So, where do we go after this gate?
Where are you staying tonight?
A hotel in Santa Monica, right by the beach.
Lovely spot. About 30 minutes by car from this airport.
30 minutes. That's not too bad.
Take an Uber or a taxi from just outside this terminal.
We will. Thank you for everything.
Welcome to the United States. Enjoy your trip with your wife.
Thank you so much, officer.
That was really fast, and he was so nice.
Yes, he was. We are really in the U.S. now, Lily.
Let's go find the exit and see the sun.
Look, the big door is right there. We made it. We are out.
Welcome to America for real, Ken.
That whole thing was easier than I thought it would be.
See? 3 questions, just like you said on the plane.
3 questions. Let me say them. Purpose, length of stay, and place to stay.
Perfect. Why, how long, and where? That's it.
If you know these 3 questions, immigration is really easy.
Yes, and the nice officer told me the same thing.
You were nervous for nothing. Look at all these people coming and going. Where do we go now?
Look at the signs above us. Taxis on the left, rideshare on the right.
There are also signs for trains and shuttles. So many choices.
Rideshare means Uber or Lyft, right? I always forget.
Yes, same idea. App taxi from your phone.
So many options at US airports. It feels big.
Yes, buses to other cities, trains downtown, even rental cars on the floor below.
A lot of choices. Let's just take an Uber today. I'm tired.
Same. Uber to the hotel. Do you want to call it?
Sure. Do you have the app on your phone ready to go?
Yes, let me open it now.
When did Uber start? Around when?
In 2009. It started in San Francisco, California.
Wow, that was about 15 years ago.
Yes, now Uber is in many countries around the world. Same here. We used to wait on the street and wave at every car.
Now we just tap the phone. Modern life is nice.
Okay, I'll call the Uber. You watch the bags for 1 minute.
Sure. Where do we pick it up?
The pickup zone is just outside this big door. 5-minute walk.
Got it. The car will be there in 5 minutes, too.
Yes, 5 minutes. Perfect timing.
Our trip really starts now, Ken.
Yes, I love America already.
Me too. Hold my hand again, please.
Of course. Welcome to the United States, Lily. Let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. When you go through U.S. immigration, what 3 things does the officer almost always ask about? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.